To add sound with animation movement in PowerPoint. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to add sound with animation movement in PowerPoint. Now then, to do it, to add a sound effect in PowerPoint, first you'll need to add an animation to a text or object on a slide. Select the text object, click on animation and choose a desired effect. As you do it, now then what you need to do is you have to add a sound effect to the animation. So for that, go to animation panel and click on down arrow in the menu on the right asset and click on effect options. As you do it, then you'll be able to see a pop-up window. So there you want to go ahead and make sure to click or select built-in sound effect to add your animations or animated text object, timing and other settings as well. And if you want to use a sound effect other than the one listed, you want to click on other sound in the drop-down menu and select the sound file from your computer. And once you actually do it, you will then be able to use or add sound effect to PowerPoint. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.